Hello everyone, my name is Will, and I have a Go tip for you. In Go, you can create a highly configurable app using the options pattern. Let's make an HTTP app using the options pattern and the net/HTTP package. First, we'll make a struct with a port and a mux. We'll give the struct a run method so we can run the server later. We'll also make a default function to set up an app with a default port and mux. Next, let's make a new type called serveropt, which is a function taking an app pointer. Now we'll make a function called newServer, which will take a variadic argument of serveropt. In this function, use the default from earlier and assign a variable called app. We'll then range over the argument opt, and for each option, we'll apply it to the app. Finally, we'll return the app from the function. With all that in place, we can now make our serveropt. Let's make one to set the port and one to add routes to the mux. Now let's build our app with a custom port and a ping route. This has been the options pattern in Go. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.